Hi, good morning, dear students. So in the last class we discussed about our lesson number 14, chapter 14, practical geometry, and up to exercise 14.1. Practical geometry. So in this chapter we already discussed about how to draw a circle by using our compass. Then we discussed about exercise 14.1, draw a circle of given radius. Then construction of circles when its radius is known and the steps involved in that. Okay. Then now today we are moving to study about line segment. How to draw a line segment by using our ruler and also by using a compass. Let's see. And the next portion is line segment. So line segment means it's a boundary of two endpoints. Line segment is a boundary of two endpoints. In a line segment there is two endpoints. If you put 2 points, point A and point B, then we join it, then we can say that it's a line segment. Line segment has two endpoints. And here we are moving to study about construction of a line segment of a given line. Construction of a line segment of a given line. Construction of a line segment of a given length. And here suppose we want to draw a line segment of length 4.7 centimeter. So to draw a line segment of 4.7 centimeter, we can use our ruler and mark the points A and B, and which are 4.7 apart. So by using our ruler, so place your ruler in your notebook, then you just mark the point. One point is on the 0 in your ruler, that is A. Then we want to draw a line segment with 4.7 centimeter. So you just mark the next point, that is point B, apart 4.7, and here in this ruler 4, 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.6, 4.7. 4.7 is here. So you mark point B, then you join the 2 points, then you get the line segment. For another example, if you want to draw a line segment with 27 centimeter, first you place the ruler in your notebook, then mark 2 points A and B apart 27 centimeter. The first point is on the 0 of the ruler. Then the next point B is at 27 centimeter. Here is 27 centimeter. So mark the point B here. Then join the 2 points. Then you get the line segment AB with 27 centimeter. And we can denote the line segment as line segment AB. Line segment AB. In this way we can draw a line segment with a given length by using our ruler. And we can also use a compass to draw, compass and a ruler to draw a line segment. So let's see. So use of ruler and compass, we can draw a line segment. And for that, the first step, draw a line L and mark a point A on a line L. So first, you draw a line L. You just draw a line L. And here is line. It's a line. Here is a line L. So first you draw a line L, and then if you want to draw a line segment with length 20 centimeter, for that first you draw a line, then mark a point A on the line segment. So mark the point A on the line segment. Here is the point A. And from A, you want to draw a line segment with length 20 centimeter. So for that, place the compass. Compass is pointed on the 0 mark of the ruler. So you just take your ruler, then point the compass point on the 0 mark of the ruler. So here, then you take 20 centimeter on the compass. Okay. So take 20 centimeter on the compass. Then you should take cautions to opening a compass has not changed. Then place the pointer on A and place the pointer on A. Then draw a swing an arc to cut the line L. So draw an arc like this to cut the line L and point the mark this point B. And here the line segment AB. So here this is the line segment AB and it denotes 20 centimeter with 20 centimeter. In this way we can draw a line segment by using our ruler and compass. For another example, if you want to draw a line segment with 32 centimeter, for that first you draw a line L, then mark the point A on the line L, then take the compass and place the compass to the point, compass is pointed to 0 mark of the roller and open it to the pencil up to 32 centimeter. So you take 32 centimeter in your compass by using a ruler. Okay. So take 32 centimeter. And without changing the length of the compass, then place the pointer on A and swing an arc on the arc, then cut the line N. So here draw the arc and mark the point B. So we get the line segment AB with length 32 centimeter. If we measure the length of the line segment, then we get 32 centimeter. So in this way we can draw a line segment with required length by using our compass and ruler. Okay. Then the next one. Next we are moving to our exercise portion, exercise 14.2. And your textbook page number 278. And the first question, draw a line segment of length 7.3 centimeter using a ruler. So here the question is, draw a line segment of length 7.3 centimeter using a ruler. So first you mark a point in your notebook, then point or marks the place 0 mark of the ruler to the point A, then at 7.3 centimeter on the ruler to mark a point B on the sheet, then you get the line segment AB, that's equal to 7.3 centimeter. So to draw a line segment of length 7.3 centimeter, first you mark a point A on your notebook, then you just place the 0 mark of the ruler to the point A. Then here we want to draw a line segment with 7.3 centimeter. So you place the 0 mark of the ruler to the point A. Then mark the point B at 7.3 on the ruler. Here 7, 7.1, 7.2, 7.3. Here is point B, that is 7.3, then join the 2 points, you get the line segment with 7.3 centimeter. Okay, then the next one. Question number 2. Construct a line segment of length 5.6 centimeter using ruler and compass. Here in the first question we want to draw a line segment only by using our ruler, and the next question, construct a line segment of length 5.6 centimeter using ruler and compasses, and here we want to draw a line segment with 5.6 centimeter, and here the length is equal to 5.6 centimeter, and here we want to draw the line segment by using the compass and the ruler. So for that, to construct a line segment by using ruler and compass, first you draw a line L and mark a point A on the line. So first you draw a line. First you draw a line L, then mark the point A on the line segment. Then you just take the given length in your compass by using your ruler. Okay, so you take 5.6 centimeter in your compass with the help of your ruler. Okay, if this length represents 5.6 centimeter, then place the pointer to the point A, then you swing an arm that cut the line L. Then here mark the point on the line L, that is B, and here it measures 5.6 centimeter. So line segment AB is equal to 5.6 centimeter. So to draw a line segment by using our scale, you just place your ruler, then mark the or to draw a line segment by using only your ruler, you just mark a point on your notebook, then place the 0 mark of the ruler to the point A. Then if you want to draw a line segment with 16 centimeter, then mark the point 16 by using a draw a line segment by using the ruler and a compass. First you draw a line, then mark the point A on the line. Then you take the given length in your compass by using your ruler. Then you just put down, place the pointer on point A. Then you swing an arm that cut the line L. Then you get the line segment with the given length. Okay. Then the next question. Question number 3. Construct line segment AB of length 7.8 cm. From this cut off line segment AC of length 4.7 cm. Measure line segment BC. So here line segment AB is equal to 7.8 cm. And from the line segment AB we want to cut off line segment AC, that is equal to 4.7. Line segment AC is equal to 4.7 cm. Then we want to measure the length of line segment BC from this. Okay. And for that, first you draw a line. So to draw a line L and mark the point A on the line. So we want to construct the line segment. Okay. So first you place the ruler and draw a line L. Then mark the point A on the line. And here the line segment AB is equal to 7.8 cm. So by using your compass, you take the given length, that is 7.8 cm in your compass by using your ruler. So place the pointer to 0 mark of the ruler and take 7.8 cm. 7.8 cm. If you consider this length is 7.8 cm, then place the pointer on the point A. Then you will take small length. Okay. If this length represents 7.8 cm, then you place the pointer to the point A, then swing an arc that cut the line L, and you mark the point as B. Then AB measures 7.8 cm. Then here draw AC, that is equal to 4.7 cm. So here A is here, AB is equal to 7.8 cm. We want to draw a line segment AC which measures 4.7 cm. So you just take 4.7 cm in your compass with the help of your ruler. So you just take 4.7 cm. If the given length represents 4.7 cm, then you place pointer to the point A, then swing an arc. Then this point represents point C and which measures 4.7 cm. And here we want to find the length of BC, length of line segment BC. So to find the length of line segment BC, first you draw a line L, then mark the point A and take 7.8 cm in your compass, then swing an arc on the line that cut the line L, then it's AB, then to draw AC is equal to 4.7 cm. So you take 4.7 cm in your compass, then place the pointer on the point A, then swing an arc, then you get line segment AC that measures 4.7. Then we want to measure the length of BC. Okay, so here Then you just take your ruler, then find the length of BC here, B to C. Place the point 0 mark to C, then from C to B is 3.1 centimeter. So BC is equal to line segment BC is equal to 3.1 centimeter. So you get 3.1 centimeter. If we subtract 7.8 minus 4.7, you get 3.1. That's equal to BC, line segment, length of line segment BC is equal to 3.1 centimeter. Then the next question. Question number 4. Given line segment AB of length is 3.9 centimeter, construct line segment P2 such that the length of line segment P2 is twice that of line segment AB. Verify by measurement. So here given line segment AB is equal to 3.9 centimeter. Line segment AB is equal to 3.9 centimeter. Construct line segment PQ that the length of line segment PQ is twice that of AB. The line segment, we want to construct line segment PQ that is twice as the length of line segment AB. Okay, so to construct the line segment PQ on line segment AB, first you draw a line L and mark the point P on it. We want to draw line segment P2 that is twice as the length of AB. So first the first point of the line segment P2 is P. So you first draw a line segment. First you draw a line L. Then mark the point P on the line. Okay, so first you draw a line L, then mark the point P on the line. Then by adjusting the compass up to the length of AB. AB is equal to 3.9 centimeters. So you take the line length of 3.9 centimeter in your compass. That's equal to, so take the 3.9 centimeter in your compass by the help of your ruler. Okay. And if this line represents 3.9 centimeter, then you just place the point here, then make a swing, then mark the point as X. Okay, then if this line segment is AB, that's equal to 3.9 centimeter, then you place the pointer to the point B with the same length, then you make a mark here. Then you get point 2. And this line segment B2 which is twice as 3.9 centimeter. Then here you measure the length of PQ by using your ruler. Then you get, if you measure the line segment, length of line segment with the help of your ruler, you get 7.8 centimeter. PQ is equal to 7.8 centimeter. Twice as 3.9 means 3.9 into 2, that is 9 2s are 18, remainder 1, 8 2s are 6 plus 1, 7.8. So the answer is correct. Okay. So to construct a line segment PQ which is twice as line segment AB is draw a line, then mark the, we want to construct the line segment P2, so mark the point P on the line, then take the length of 3.9 in your compass by using your ruler, then make a swing, place the pointer to the point P, then make a swing and mark the point as X, then it is measures the length AB, that's equal to 3.9 cm, then place the compass again at the point X, then make a swing with 3.9 cm, then we get PQ as price as 3.9 cm, and it measures 7.8 cm. Okay, then the next question. And the question number 5 is your homework. Okay. Given line segment AB of length 7.3 cm and CD, line segment CD of length 3.4 cm. Construct a line segment XY such that the length of line segment XY is equal to the difference between the length of line segment AB and line segment CD, and verify by measurement. So here line segment AB is equal to 7.3 cm and line segment CD is equal to 3.4 cm. So with the so take the difference of line segment AB and line segment CD, then make a line segment or construct a line segment XY. That's your homework. So you should do your homework and send to my WhatsApp, and if you have any doubts, ask me. Then the next exercise 14.3. Exercise 14.3, page number 279. And the first question, draw a line segment PQ. Without measuring line segment PQ, construct a copy of line segment PQ. Here, we want to draw a line segment PQ without measuring line segment PQ, without measuring the length of line segment PQ. We want to construct a copy of line segment PQ. We want to construct another line segment with the same measurement of line segment PQ. So, let the given line segment be PQ. So, you draw any line segment TQ without measuring its length. This is line segment AB, and here we want to draw the same copy of the line segment. Line segment PQ. Copy of line segment PQ without measurement. So for that, first you draw the line segment. Let the given line segment PQ is here. Then adjust the compass up to the length of PQ. So without measuring the line segment, to draw the line segment, first copy the line segment. First you draw a line L. First you draw a line L. Then mark the point P on line. Then you take the length of PQ by using your compass, and it measures. Then place the pointer to the point P. Then swing an arc that cut the line L. Then mark the point as Q. Then we get the line segment PQ. Then you measure the length of the line segment PQ. Here it measures 40 centimeter. Then you measure the copy of the line segment, that is from P to Q, and from P to Q it's also measure 40 centimeter. So we get the exact copy of line segment PQ without measuring the length. Okay. Then the next one. Then the next question. Given some line segment AB whose length you do not know, construct line segment PQ. So next question. Such that the length of line segment PQ is twice that of line segment AB. Given some line segment AB whose length you do not know, construct PQ such that the length of line segment PQ twice that of line segment AB. So here first you draw the line segment, give some line segment AB. So here the given line segment AB is here. This line segment AB. Then we want to draw a line segment PQ and its length is twice as line segment AB. So to draw line segment PQ, first you draw a line L. Then mark the point P on the line. Then the line segment PQ measures twice as line segment AB. So you just take the length of line segment AB in your compass. Then place the pointer on point P. Then swing an arc. Then here mark the point X. And PQ is twice as AB. So you just point the pointer to the point X. Then make another swing from point X. Then mark the point as Q. Then you get the line segment PQ which measures the twice as line segment AB. And here this line segment measures 22 centimeter. And here line segment PQ measures 44 centimeters. So 44 centimeters is twice as 22 centimeters. So if we multiply 22 into 2, we get 44. So 44 is twice as 22. So in this way we can make a line segment which is twice as the given line segment. So our exercise 14.3 is over. And the next portion, perpendicular to a line through a point on it and perpendicular to a line through a point not on it, and exercise 14.4, 14.5 and 14.6 that we will discuss in the next class. So you children, do your homework properly and do the exercise given in your textbook, and also if you have any doubts ask me. Okay, so exercise exercise 4.3 is over, and the remaining exercise that we will discuss in the next class. So now today let's wind up our class and we will meet with another class on next day. So study well. Have a nice day. Thank you.